We are doing an interview today with Mr. Bean. What is your YouTube channel, sir?
I think it's Mr. Bean dash VR. If not, it's Mr. Bean VR dash 50.
Okay. Alright, sir. So, what do you think of the Pride update?
Me personally, love hate kind of thing. I'm bisexual, so
Yeah.
kind of love.
Do you have a favorite map?
I actually do. Most people think it's weird, but it's Metro City.
That's nice. What else? Do you have any other friends or YouTube channels that you would like to shout out?
No, because my don't really let them do.
Okay, now would you like to ask me any questions?
What's your favorite roller tag?
YouTuber?
Mine currently right now, I think.